Namaste everyone. My name is Devi Prataksha and today we're going to learn skandhasana. The benefits of skandhasana are that the blood circulation in our body, it makes them better. And we are doing online classes and online meetings. We need to move our body, twist our body. So skandhasana is really good for that. So let's start skandhasana. For skandhasana, stand straight, feet together, palms facing each other, twist and inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Lower your hands and relax. Do this exercise 10 times a day. Namaste. See you tomorrow.